Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuner report for Denison, Georgia on the Ranger RCI 99N2. Well, on the 99N2, the Truckerized package deal includes the tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, wide banding of the transmit and receive, static 636 mic, tune-up video, and some more little odds and ends there that we do. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug, 5 watts all the way down. That way if you decide to run an amp, say a 8 pillar or bigger, you've got full adjustability. 50 watts all the way up, show you average power swing. A little 1-2 audio, so it pegs that. So let's go to the 250 watt slug in average power, top scale. Hello, 120 bird average. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1-2 audio. There's the 250 in the corner. All right, Dennis, it's ready to come to you, man. I hope you enjoy this radio. I saw a whole lot of the 99N2s and N4s, and other than I think one faceplate issue with the lighting, these things have been flawless. Good job, Ranger. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Dennis, you've been truckerized. Bump bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.